Hello Year 7, it's Miss Youssef and I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to do your practical next lesson. You need to make sure before you start that you put on your safety goggles, and I'll be checking in the lesson that you've got your safety goggles on. You're going to be looking at reacting different concentrations of hydrochloric acid with magnesium strips. The magnesium strips are safe enough for you to actually use with touch with your fingers, as you can see me demonstrating. And the aim of this practical is to see how much gas is made every 30 seconds up to 5 minutes with the two concentration of acid. You've got 1 molar acid and 2 molar acid. With the measuring cylinder, you start with a 1 molar hydrochloric acid. And as I always demonstrate, you make sure that your measuring cylinder is on the table, flat surface, and you bend down at eye level so you can see how much acid is being added. Now you want to make sure that you use 25 mils, 25 centimetres cubed of acid. Remembering to put the stopper back on the acid to keep safe, and then you pour that into your test tube, boiling tube. Now you'll notice the way in which I've got the equipment set up. So when you do the practical, you need to make sure that you've got your boiling tube and your gas syringe near the edge of the table, so, the surface, so it doesn't roll over or anything like that. You then take one piece of your magnesium strip, and you need to make sure at this point that there's someone else in the group that can actually start the stopper. Obviously there's just me, so I'm going to do this by myself. But as soon as you add your magnesium strip, you start timing, and you put the bung on top of the boiling tube, and then you will measure to see how much gas is made at 30 seconds. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of hydrochloric acid being produced. Okay, so we're coming up to our first 30 seconds. If I peer down, okay, we've got about 18 centimetres cubed of hydrochloric acid, of hydrogen gas that's actually being made. And you keep doing that, you keep measuring every 30 seconds until you reach 5 minutes of how much hydrogen gas is being made. Once you've done that, you obviously stop your clock, and then you just rinse out the boiling tube, rinse it down the sink, and then do exactly the same thing again with your 2 molar hydrochloric acid.